So this is how to schedule your post on YouTube. All you need to do is to go to YouTube Studio. You can do this on YouTube Studio and you can also do it on your normal YouTube. So it doesn't matter if it's YouTube Studio or not. So all you have to do is select the post you want to work on and bring it in. Put your title, whatever you're titling the video. I'm just using this to make example of what you have to do. Might be short, you might click on that public. When you click on the public, you see schedule. Click on that schedule. When you click on schedule, you see something like this. You just set the dates. Put the date, put the time that you want that post to drop. So that is how you schedule your post. Put the description, everything that is needed for the post. Then if you are using playlist, put it on playlist. If you want to collaborate, you collaborate here. If your video is AI video, this is where you are going to click on. So you click on this attributes. When you click on it, if it's AI, you select yes. If it's not AI, select no. So that is that for that. If you want to put it on its category, if it's entertainment video, you select entertainment. If it's not entertainment video, if it's educational, you select educational. Or you can just leave it on people and block like that, and you schedule it. Allow it to load. When you finish loading, you will see your post. Now you have the day that is dropping. So that is how you schedule your post. If you want to re-edit it, maybe you made mistake, you just re-edit it. If you don't want to use the date you use, can always go back to change the date you want to use. And the thing is, you can schedule as much as you can. You can see it. You can even schedule till December this year, even more than that. So that is exactly how you schedule your post anyways. But for me, let me go back to the day that I used before. That is just how you schedule your post. If you are changing anything, just change whatever you want to change and save it again. And that's all. I hope you learned something. Bye.